Hello and good evening everyone. My name is Tomer from the Market Zone, and in today's video, trade analysis video, I want to show you a trade setup we had in the lead zone, a bearish trade setup we had in gold, which eventually scored 6,000 pips, which isn't so bad. And the possible bullish scenario I'm seeing right now, which I posted in the weekly markets analysis this week. So before I start, I want to thank everyone who follow the Market Zone, either if it's the YouTube channel that you are now watching, or the blog, or of course being a part of the weekly markets analysis. And special thanks for the members of the Elite Zone, which had a huge week last week with about 1,000 pips in forex trades and very good trades in stock markets. So thank you everyone for following. And this is the new design of my webpage, my website. I hope you like it, much better than the old one. And if you are not part of the weekly markets analysis, go to the website www.themarketzone.net, press the weekly markets analysis tab, fill your details here, subscribe, it's for free. Weekly newsletter, trading and technical analysis newsletter, totally for free, which will give you special trading edge when you are entering your trading week. So let's jump to the chart and see the setup that we had and what we possibly have for this week. What we are seeing right now is the daily chart of gold, XAUUSD, and this is the bearish setup which you are seeing right now, the combination of the two harmonics that I'm going to discuss in a second. But before I show you why we entered the short trade, see how I'm marking the important zones on my chart, and I'm keeping them to monitor as the trades progress, starting with this 1180 support zone. It's a wide support zone between 1180 and 1200, which we monitored and actually traded as an aggressive C entry, a bullish aggressive C entry, which we traded the C point of this bearish butterfly all the way up here towards 1240 and then 1280, which was the the target level due to the bearish butterfly being completed. And then what we had was two patterns, two price zones which we monitored. One was the completion of this bearish cipher right at the 1300 resistance zone, and the other one was a bearish butterfly which completed right around 1280. So we had a $20 buffer zone, resistance zone. What I did was to scale into the bearish position, starting shorting with when the price reached 1280 and just adding to the position near 1300. Not everyone is doing like this. It's a risky strategy, but the fact that we had a bearish cipher here and the round number of 1300, I wrote to the members that I think that the price of gold will hit this round number. It was too close not to. Eventually 1300, it spiked a little bit. Eventually it rolled over to the support zone. What was a resistance now became support, bounced a little bit, rolled over again, closed below, rallied again, and eventually with patience we reached all of our target levels, which were 1280, 1250 and 1230. So we exited the trade at 1230, taking about 6,000 pips. The bullish scenario, which I showed also in the weekly markets analysis this week, is this interesting buying zone near 1210. In fact, the whole area between 1230 and 1200 is a very interesting reversal area, I think. We have to see how the gold will react to the Greece situation, to the Fed, to the ECB, I don't know. But technically we have near 1210 an interesting buying zone, a minor structure level. You see here the support, resistance, support. Now should be a support. We also see the broken down trend line, which will be tested if the price will reach here. Should be support if it's a real break. And the minor uptrend line that the current rally created. So we have two trend line support and a minor structure, and also the 61.8 Fibonacci comes right at 1200. If we pull it from this swing, it will be just about 1220. So we have between 1220 and 1200 also the fibs to support possible reversal. So that's the bullish scenario, playing this trend line and structure support. And we have to monitor and see how gold will react. If we'll see a strong price move, as we saw here, it just went through the 200 SMA without even looking back. We have to be careful. But if the price will reach 1210, maybe pierce it a little bit, spiking below it and reversing, closing back above it, you can try to enter a bullish trade if you are, of course, bullish gold. That's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you like this harmonic content that you are seeing, and if you do, don't forget to visit the website www.themarketzone.net. Subscribe to the weekly markets analysis. Read the trading articles here which is dealing with harmonics and trading psychology and everything. And of course, if you want to take your trading to the next level, join the Elite Zone. It's only $30 a month. You can try it for a month, decide for yourself if you want to continue. We have great feedback for this service, and I hope to see you becoming a member. Thank you very much for joining, and watch me again in the next video. Bye.